Setting up Expensify involves several steps to ensure smooth expense management and reporting. Here's a concise guide. Sign up. Visit the Expensify website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that aligns with your business needs. Configure account settings. After signing up, configure your Expensify account settings. This includes setting up your company profile, currency preferences, and any custom fields or categories. Connect bank accounts or credit cards. Link your bank accounts and credit cards to Expensify to automatically import transactions. Alternatively, manually upload expense receipts and information. Create expense policies. Define expense policies that align with your company's guidelines and IRS regulations. Specify rules for expense categories, limits, and approvals. Invite users. Invite team members to join your Expensify account. Assign roles and permissions based on each user's responsibilities. Customize tags and categories. Customize expense tags and categories to organize expenses by project, client, or department. Integrate with accounting software. Integrate Expensify with your accounting software to streamline the reconciliation process. Training. Train your team on how to use Expensify effectively, including capturing receipts, submitting expense reports, and adhering to company policies.